my name is Shermeen Chandani. I'm a student at Cizik School of Nursing at UTHealth Houston. I am studying here because I did my undergraduate here and I absolutely loved it and decided to come back 10 years later. I loved my professors and I love the research this school's doing, and it's really affordable, which was a huge plus. I commute from Dallas, so it was really nice that I only have to be here 5 times a semester for skills, which is really important. The professors are really hands-on, they're always available, and I love my cohort because we're all in it together and we're always messaging each other to figure things out, especially since we're all spread out. There's really great resources with our simulation labs. We have really cool mannequins and real patients eventually when we're good enough for our skills. So I really have enjoyed being a student so far, and I'm really looking forward to my clinicals coming up and just learning more so I can be a better provider.